We need to get something straight. Evolution by natural selection is a theory. So is climate change. But people keep saying that like it's a bad thing. I get it. I understand your frustration. We're all searching for ultimate #truth, and complex, challenging ideas don't always fit nice and neatly in our brains. But what is truth? Are there different levels of truth? Are some truths truthier than others? Well, I don't know, but I do know this. Science is the absolute best tool we have for understanding how the universe works, and theory is not a four-letter word. If we're gonna trust science together, the least we can do is speak the same language. Words like fact, theory, hypothesis, and law mean something totally different to a scientist than the way they're used in everyday speech. So let's get them straight. Facts are really just observations about the world around us, and we observe things every day, like that it's bright outside when I look out the window. And we often develop explanations for those observations, like, okay, the sun is probably up. Congrats, we just developed a hypothesis. But a hypothesis isn't something you prove, it's something you test. So, let's walk outside. It's bright, the sun is up, hypothesis confirmed. Way to go, we did a science. We often come up with multiple hypotheses to explain an observation. We just eliminate the ones that are wrong. What's left over is not a theory or a law or an ultimate truth. It's just a possible explanation for something, one that can lead us to new hypotheses which may agree or disagree with the original one. It's a never-ending story, only without the big fluffy dragons.
That's so good.
When enough hypotheses have gotten the old scientific check mark, we can pile these all up and turn them into something greater, a theory. A theory is the way we know something works, based on the evidence we've collected and all the hypotheses that we've successfully put to the test. The best thing about a theory is that we can use it to make predictions, and not just about the way things are, but how they will be. You may have heard someone say something like, I have a theory about why cats purr. I think it's because they're actually tiny robots, and those are their gears. Well, that's not a theory. That's actually a hypothesis. It's something that could be tested, but don't try this at home. This cycle, taking facts and observations, thinking up possible explanations, testing those explanations, and then making predictions based upon them,